So this is the current weather status. And I think based din sa weather forecast, magiging sunny today. So I'm very happy to hear that. Yay! Nice weather! Pero malamig pa rin yung hangin. From the Rainbow Road, kakross ka lang, nandun yung Red House, dyan sa likod ng Nike. There's the Red House. Hindi ko alam kung anong history ng Red House. Ito yung stores around Red House. And since maaga pa, close pa sila. Pwede ka rin pumasok dyan, by the way. Walk lang tayo pa Chanhu Temple. Tingnan natin, see what tayo. Chanhu Temple. This was the first temple we visited. We went early in the morning and wala pa masyadong turista, so we weren't sure if we can go inside. We lingered at the entrance until this lady approached us.
Are you Filipino?
Yes.
You know, very close here, have another temple is bigger than this one.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
Longshan.
Longshan,
Yes.
oh, you know that. Okay.
Yeah, we will go there
Do you have
tomorrow.
kids? No.
No, not yet.
Okay, I give you something. Someday you will be have a kids.
Yes.
There's a gift for him.
Oh, thank you.
Will be very very lucky because
Thank you.
I pray with the.
Oh,
Maju.
okay. Thank you so
Someday.
much.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You're so kind. Thank you.
Have a nice trip.
You too. Bye-bye. So nice. Binigyan na tayo ng coin. 20. Nice. So, we're going to Maokong Gondola now. Sakay tayo ng train.
Ang top ako ng 200.
Oh, wala na yun. Kiss na yun. Defer conversion. Ito kami nag-withdraw. Kapasok mo ng exit 6 sa pinakababa tabi ng 7-Eleven. So, let's go na. Google Map is the key, guys. Very accurate. Tayo sa platform 2. Platform 1 kasi yun. Kaya na yung train. So, pagkalabas, right tayo. Kung gondola daw muna, mas magandang unahin, sabi ni Chart. Let's go! Grabe ang araw pero sobrang chill ng weather. Actually, nilalamig ako. Kalabas, mayroon namang nakalagay doon eh. So, pag ganun tayo. And you have to remember that closed every Monday ang Maokong Gondola. So, make sure hindi kayo pupunta dito ng Monday. Sobrang lamig sa face nung hangin. Parang naka-aircon. As a lamigin girly, this is my weakness.
As a fake runner, masarap tumakbo dito. Ang lamig.
Ang lamig and ang luwag.
7:30 na, pero...
Look how
pa rin.
peaceful. Yan, malapit na tayo. Tatanaw ko na yung Maokong Gondola Station. 8 yata ang open nito eh. Oh, ayan. Close pa nga. Napaaga kami. Sure tayo doon, no? Pwede tayo mag-pick. Look, how cute. So, yeah, closed pa siya. 8 ang bukas niyan. Ay, may tao naman. Oh my God, 9! Nakala ko 8. Shit, sobrang aga pala namin. Ayun na, may temple dun, no? Ikot muna kami. Ito, lockers. Maliit lang na tent. Mag-roam around muna kami. Ganda naman dito. Mapansin ko sa Taiwan, ang daming park. Tapos ang daming pwede mong upuan. May, ano to? Pond? Pond ba tawag? May siyang water. Ganda naman here.
Parang, New Valley na mas matanda.
Yan o, ang dami nilang benches. Nag-CR muna si John. Yun na, they're moving. We're gonna line up. Pila na kaya. And waiting na lang papasukin. Thank you, QR code natin, guys. Ay, may photo booth! Shanin! Let's go! Pag nagbook kayo sa clock, need nyo siya i-redeem. Tapos ito yung i-scan kasi. Okay? Regular lang pala. Okay, safe. Oh my gosh! Solo natin!
Lucky!
Let's make...
Two big groups yun. Kasi susundan natin.
Okay na ako na hindi crystal Gabi. Oh my gosh! Hello! May wilis! Natatakot ako!
Deep breath in, hold, exhale.
Hindi ako makadinat ng taas eh. Okay, hindi naman pala katulad ng roller coaster. Medyo nakapag-relax ako. Alam mo yung suspense, napapaakit ka ng roller coaster tapos ay, hindi talaga nakatapat yan sa akin. Okay, medyo nag-calm down na ako kasi hindi naman pala nakakatakot yung pababa. Akala kasi para siyang mabilis or something na parang roller coaster. Kaya rin it's nice. Press ko kasi ka-open pala na bintana. There. That's Taipei 101 over there. Punta kami dyan sa Thursday. We have 2 more to go. See, we're getting off. Baka may ano dito eh. Malaki yan. Ganun, we're outside. We're here. Look, my cat. Actually, ang meaning daw ng maukong ay cat. Sobrang cute. And ang tahimik. May pa-flowers dun. Tara, dun tayo. Sa may tea house. Try natin yung famous ice cream here. Ayun o. Kaso parang baka hindi magustuhan ni John kasi tea yan eh. Okay, let's buy. Coffee ka na lang. Bili tayo. Hi.
还要3分钟。
Okay.
嘿，也是。
Thank you. 3 minutes pa daw. Order siya.
Two latte.
Hot two.
Yes.
Okay.
And then one,
巧克力棒力。
yes.
What?
And 1 bacon. Yes.
Okay.
And
1 ice cream.
Green tea, green tea.
This
Mix
one,
it together.
mix.
Mix what?
So, we ordered first. Kasi hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. Kain muna kami here. Cutie! Look, cat. Sobrang cute. It's good. Hindi niya ito magugustuhan kasi lasan siya ay. Pero hindi naman matapang. This is our breakfast. Yung breakfast niya dessert, the brownie. Hot. Napasok.
kahit na mainit.
Sarap. Savory. Would be better if may ketchup. Pinoy na Pinoy. Look at that. Harap. Warm pa siya. Let's try the coffee. Ang kapal ng ko. Sarap. Sarap ah. Gusto siya. Ang sarap. Gusto to.
Kaya kasarap nga yan. Kaya ko kumain ng 2 ganyan for breakfast.
Hello, ang cute. Ang cute of kids. Going to school.
Siyempre.
Sarap. Parang yun ako nag-latte na ganitong may foam. Okay, so tapos na kami kumain. So maglalakad-lakad kami. Ang cute, B! Cute ka. Tara, balik na tayo. Punta tayo zoo. Psst. Walaan nyo kasi siya pupunta. Nature calls. Excited na ako sa zoo! Doon tayo sa Taipei Zoo South Station bababa. Kasi pag sa Taipei Zoo Station daw, mahaba pa yung lalakarin natin. We're going down!
We're going down, down, and nearly round. Sugar, we're going down, sugar.
Nakakakaba naman kasi yung biglang magmamabilis eh.
Ayun. Ayun natin. Hindi ka pala nilita.
Medyo hindi siya nakakatawa. Ish! Nagalaw na naman tayo.
wala. May safety net naman pag nalaglag tayo.
Hindi tayo malalaglag, sabihin yan. Okay, medyo lumalakas ang ihip ng hangin. Mapapakapit tayo. Sumisipol-sipol. Hala, ang galing naman nun.
Maintenance vehicle lang yun.
Kaya mo yun, nakaganong ka lang. Patayin nyo na lang dyan.
Kung may bayad, sige. Who's first in scales? Deer?
Tiger, armadillo, bear, eastbirds.
Falcon, eagle, maya,
I don't know them.
bluebird.
Na us. This is our drop off. Ayan na. Ayun, may stamp. Oh my gosh. Yeah, sashe. May hilang inner child ko today. Shit. Pinakaharap tayo, guys. Are here. Look at the beautiful flowers. Crested serpent eagle. Wow. Hi. He's a... Hey, dito lang siya. Oh my gosh. Where? Ang laki niya. Ang laki niya. Medyo madilim, but he's over there.
Brown wood.
There he is. Those are the birds kanina dyan. Then, we'll just follow the path. Let's go. Aviary. Oh, peacocks! Hi, peacocks! And those little birds. Hindi siya duck. Naka-nest siya. Beware of crane daw, guys. So, these are the birds here, I think. So, yung Pied Imperial Pigeon. Ayun sila, oh. There. Cute. I don't know what that is. Squirrel ba yan? Pero hindi siya bird. Yun ang sure ako. Hi! Grabe, ang ganda naman ng zoo dito. Free yung birds. Ayun oh, may nest nga. Ayun oh, there oh. Where is this guy? Ito na, B. Ito na yung ducks. Ito na yung ducks. Cute.
With tilapia.
With tilapia. Na frozen in time. Hindi sila nagalaw, guys. Ganda ng kulay ng duck. Gosh. Diba mo siya, oh.
Don't scare the birds.
Birds of the feather, we should stick together. Ayan ang theme song ng Aviary World. Ayan, tignan mo yung mohawk niya. Yan, dyan siya, oh. Sana may flamingo. Kasi ayun, oh. Ayun, may flamingos! Punta tayo doon. Guys, look at the flamingos. Natutulog sila. More flamingos here. Look at them. Ayan sila matulog. Tama, di ba? They're sleeping.
I think so. Isang pa.
Oh my gosh, it's a big bird. White pelicans sila. Okay, we're gonna exit. Do not open the curtain for birds. Tama.
Ayun!
Ayun siya, guys! Elephant! Uy, lumabas siya for us! Hello! Lumalapit sila. Kaso ang init. Kawawa naman. Tayo ay... Saan yung temperate?
Dito. Kasi ito yung bird station.
Ah, okay. Here tayo. Horsey. Kaso, puro puwet po ang nakikita natin. I think nakain sila. Pretty flowers. Yan na, temperate zone animal area. Penguin house muna tayo.
Penguin, geese.
Anong sagot?
Anong sagot?
The answer is on the second board daw. Go to the second board. Kasi genuinely curious about the answer. So they're different. No lang ang sagot. Uy, ayan Chevy, ang dami nila. Girl. Look at them, parang statwa. Oh my gosh, where? Oh, penguins! Penguins, guys. Akala ko 4 sila. Reflection lang pala. Ito pa siya. Jackass penguin. Upal. Arctic wildlife. We are here. I think. It's a bear, guys, but he's sleeping. Look at his paw. Ayun, nagalaw pa. There, nakatalikod siya. Siesta time. Eurasian lynx. Bearded panda.
So, outer tayo.
Okay, planning. Okay, umbrella. There siya, oh. Ayun na. So, may underground pala sila. Kaso wala naman. Ayun! There, guys. Sa dulo. Ayun! Babu.
Mukha siyang galit.
Yung reflection mo yung nakikita ko. Hi, please go here. Look at the butt. Saan lang siya? Ah, ayun, natutulog. Sa taas. Yun na. They are the olive baboon. Pause and read. There he is, sa dulo. Ah, there's 3. Naghaharutan yung dalawa. Bye. Naingayan siya. Oh, there oh. Uy! Hello! Tapos, tingin ka sa lamin. Homo sapien. Fair sila, fair. Yun. Dalawa sila. He's moving. Where are you going? There's the other one. I think pupuntahan niya. Sobrang sarap ng tulog. Parang si cinnamon lang.
Who's that Pokemon?
Hola, Melia Morella. ¿Cómo estás? In Spanish. Look at this guy. Hi. Look at him. The fishes.
Peppa Louis na to eh.
Anong meron here?
Hippo.
Hippo pa din. Oh, there! Liligo siya, te. Cute. Yun sila. Dami. Kalubog. Naka-marinate yan. Init kasi eh. I feel like guys. Kita statues ng hippos. Field trip kasi eh. So, rendido na si John.
They're noisy as F.
Zebras over there. Beautiful orchids. Yan, water. Oh, it's cold. Congrats. Open, please. Thank you so much. Siya naman. Ay, pwede pala yung may sukli.
Of course.
Love it. Congrats. Cheers. An array of butts.
Here is the sexiest ass the animal kingdom.
Animal talaga. Giraffe time. Imo. Imong mama. May mga pa-audio.
Desert transport.
Here they are. There siya. Orchids. Ganda. Yellow, oh. Tropical rainforest area. So cute.
Ang sana.
Kala ko ahas, be.
Tapos slow po.
No.
Ay, yun ang laki yung bigla.
Ah, siya ba yun? Wow. Bakit siya? Meron pala here. Small monkey, grabe. So beautiful here, guys. Saan sila?
Shears.
I don't see them though. Look, there oh. Where? Ang daming fish.
Yes. Yeah. Park.
Wow.
Tingnan, tingnan mo naka-steady lang siya.
Legit ba to? O statwat yan? Binago ko na itong taong to.
Panin mo.
Hey, suot kanina. Grabe na ang ano to, exhibitionist. Ten, ten, tenenenen, ten, 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 tenenenen. This is the view. Here naman sa Capybaras. Totoo ba sila? Panda house time. Giant panda. Wow. Daming tao, guys. Haba ng pila sa panda. Children's Zoo. Ganda daming ano. For kids. Yun siya, oh. There, Happy Hands Farm. Silip lang. Uy! Kala ko totoong chicken. Chicken! Okay, nag-react sila. Sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling. Charing, sino siya? Ang cute! Lata, girlies. Resting for a bit. One last, ano na lang, enclosure. And we're done. Step count, check. 12K, ikaw. Bakit ang dami nung iyo?
Ilan naman siya?
12K pa lang sa akin, magkasama naman tayo eh. Umalis ka ba nang di ko alam?
Nag-escalator ko kasi ako nag-stairs.
Okay. Bawal na yung Google natin. Ito ang stages nila. Ito ang ending. Oh, ang galing ko. God. Ayun siya. There, sa dulo. Ito, sa gilid. Camouflage. Tsaka ayun. I think. Stag beetle. I think it's that one. That one. Butterfly! Very Bohol. Look at that. Atlas moth. Okay, guys. Para siyang ano lang, good. Aquatic insects naman daw. So, saan? Water bug. Water walking stick. Wild boar. Andun siya sa dulo. Nagtutulog yata. Exit. Yay! We are done! Nalibot namin ang buong Taipei Zoo. Yes, map ng Taiwan. Entrance/exit. Ito yung pinaka-front. Punta tayo sa my information. Visitor center sa pinakaharap. Doon tayo sa kabilang side, maghanap ng food. Oh. Sarap. Sarap ng sauce. Paniwasan.
Presyo lang yan. Parang 70.
Freedom! Taipei Zoo! Ito yung bilihan ng ticket and entrance. Walking back to the MRT station. We are back in Simanding. Balik muna kami sa hotel para magpahinga. Sobrang pagod na. Malulumpo na ako. Let's get these. We're home. Pahinga muna. Basta labas kami for Rauhe Night Market late. Punta daw siyang Nike. Pasongsian tayo. Pasongsian. Tapos, ang labas natin ay exit 5. Oh, night market! Where is it though? Ayun pala sa gilid. Ito pala ay temple. Entrance mismo. Pork pepper buns. Look at that. Sobrang init. I don't like it. Hindi rin ako impressed. Ang goal ko tonight, matry ang stinky tofu. Cranberry. I like. Stinky tofu. Bili tayo. Thank you. Stinky tofu, guys. May fight siya ng konti. Hindi marunong mag-chopstick. Maharap pag may gulay. Hindi siya kalasa ng tofu natin sa Pinas. Pag yung tofu lang, medyo may pait. Dapat may gulay, masarap. Ayun ang dulo. Kita ko na yung dulo. Hindi lang pagkain ang meron here. Nakaka-overwhelm ah. Yan na ang dulo ng Rauha. Mag-U-turn na kami. The end of Rauha. Okay, we're going home. Same way din nung papunta. So, exit 5, green line.
And that's it for the second part of our Taiwan trip. Stay tuned for part 3. Make sure to check out part 1 if you haven't seen it yet. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next vlog. Bye!